Saving $10,000 in 1 year might sound impossible, but with the right strategy and mindset, it's entirely achievable. We're going to break down how you can save $10,000 in just 12 months, without completely overhauling your lifestyle. Step 1. Set clear savings goals. The first step to saving big is setting a specific goal. In this case, it's $10,000 in 1 year, but break it down into manageable chunks. That means aiming for roughly $834 per month, or about $192 per week. Having clear, bite-sized goals keeps you on track and motivated. Make this challenge personal. Think about what saving $10,000 means for you. Whether it's paying off debt, traveling, or starting an emergency fund, knowing your why will keep you focused. Step 2. Track every dollar you spend. Next, it's time to get serious about tracking your spending. You can't save what you don't know is being spent. Use a budgeting app or even a simple spreadsheet to track every dollar that leaves your account. Look at your bank statements to see where your money is going. You might be surprised at how much you're spending on things like dining out, subscription services, or random online purchases. Once you know where your money is going, it's easier to find areas to cut back. Step 3. Automate your savings. One of the easiest ways to build up your savings is to automate it. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a separate high-yield savings account each time you get paid. Treat your savings like any other bill. This ensures you're consistently saving without even thinking about it. By automating $192 every week or $834 every month, you'll hit your $10,000 goal by the end of the year. Step 4. Cut down on discretionary spending. Now, we get into the hard part, cutting down on non-essential spending. This doesn't mean giving up everything you enjoy, but making smarter decisions. Start by cooking at home instead of eating out. Limit your online shopping, or challenge yourself to a no-spend month where you only buy necessities. Consider cutting down on subscriptions like streaming services or gym memberships if you're not using them regularly. These small changes can add up to significant savings over time. Step 5. Find creative ways to boost your income. Saving isn't just about cutting expenses, it's also about finding ways to bring in more income. Take advantage of side hustles like freelancing, tutoring, or selling unused items online. Even picking up a few extra hours at work can make a big difference. Use that extra cash to fast-track your savings challenge. You might also want to check out cashback apps or rewards programs that give you a little extra for everyday purchases. Step 6. Practice the 24-hour rule. Impulse spending can be one of the biggest barriers to saving. To avoid this, adopt the 24-hour rule. If you see something you want to buy, wait 24 hours before making the purchase. This gives you time to think about whether you really need it or if it's just a temporary want. More often than not, you'll find that you don't actually need the item, and you can put that money toward your savings goal instead. Step 7. Take advantage of windfalls. Windfalls, like tax refunds, bonuses, or unexpected gifts, are a great way to build your savings faster. Instead of spending these windfalls on new gadgets or vacations, commit to putting a large portion, if not all, of that money into your savings. This can give your $10,000 challenge a serious boost. Step 8. Cut transportation costs. Transportation can be a huge expense, but there are ways to cut costs. If possible, carpool to work, take public transit, or bike. Even simple things like shopping around for better car insurance or keeping your tires properly inflated can save you money. If you have more than one vehicle, consider selling one and pocketing the savings. Step 9. Downsize unnecessary expenses. Look at your fixed expenses and see if there's any way to downsize. Can you negotiate your utility bills, phone plans, or internet service? How about refinancing your mortgage or auto loan? Small adjustments to these bills can save you hundreds of dollars each year, helping you reach your savings goal faster. Step 10. Stay consistent and stay motivated. The key to success with the $10,000 challenge is consistency. It's not about making massive sacrifices, but rather small, manageable changes that add up over time. Keep your goal in mind, track your progress, and celebrate small wins along the way. Every time you hit a savings milestone, reward yourself in a way that won't derail your progress. The $10,000 challenge is not only achievable, but it's also a great way to kickstart your financial journey. With smart planning, tracking, and commitment, you can save big in 1 year. Whether you want to build an emergency fund, pay off debt, or achieve a major financial goal, this challenge is your first step toward financial freedom.